Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Housewife. My name is Shalu and I hope you all are fit and fine. Friends, I hope you celebrated Mother's Day with pomp and show. As we know, when the festival comes, so we feel very happy because we meet our relatives, neighbors, close friends and more other people. So we feel very happy and it is great opportunity to communicate them. Yes, friends, have you communicate them in English? As we are learning English, as we all know we are learning English, so we should try to communicate them in English. If you are not able to communicate them in English, so it is no use for learning English. It is no use because we practice. Yes, we practice alone. We talk himself in alone. But if we talk about public speaking and we are not able to do these things, so I think for learning English it is no use. So same here, if you keep practicing alone and you don't try even communicate anyone in English or public speaking, so there I think it is no use. So communication skill, public speaking skill is very important. If you want to learn English, you have to speak them in English. If you are not able to do this thing, you are not able to speak public speaking, so don't worry. In this video I will tell you how should we prepare ourselves to speak public speaking, to communicate people in English. So watch the video till the end. In the end you will say yourself that yes, I have to communicate in English and I will do it. So without getting further delay, let's get started. So friends, as we are talking about communication skills, public speaking, so friends, first we need to know how should we communicate in English or in our native language also. We don't know how should we communicate. Yes, in our native language also. Some people are who don't talk to so much, like introvert kind of person. They are not able to talk so much like me. I am also introvert kind of person. Whenever I meet someone, so I ask only one thing, that one or two things, how are you, what to do only, and then my mind goes blank that what to ask next in my native language also. So friends, some people are, they don't know how should we communicate in our native language and let alone English. Okay, so first we have to do that. If you meet someone, so you have to prepare some question before meeting anyone else. Okay, it may be your friend, relative, neighbor, anyone else. So you have to make list that if I meet my friends, so I have to ask this question. If I meet my neighbors or my relative, then I will ask this question. And if they ask any question, then I have to give this answer. Okay, like interview, when we take interview, so we imagine that interviewer will ask this question, so I will give this answer. And if he or she will ask this question, then I will give this like this, and I will explain like this. So you have to prepare yourself before talking anyone else. This is the best way to improve your communication skill, to improve your public speaking. I am also doing the same and it is giving me a benefits. And friends, one more thing is that don't start these things in English first. Okay, first you have to do these things in your native language. Okay, practice alone. Okay, and just think that someone is standing in front of you and you are talking and you are asking, you are explaining your answer. So do these things first in your native language, then if you are good at that thing, then try in English. Okay, so I think it will also give you benefits, so try this. This is best way to improve your communication skill. So friends, next tip is that friends, you are not able to talk anyone who is in front of you, who is before you. So you can talk them in English. It may be your friend or anyone else. If that person is your friend, so it is good, because we are very open with our friends. So if you do these things, you talk them in English on phone, so it will be good for you. You can talk them, you can express your feeling, you can express your problems also. So do this thing, that to talk them in English. Or maybe, or you can do one thing also, you can use one app. Okay, you can take one app, and if you are able to take any subscription, so you can do that thing also. And as I am doing these days, I am using one app, and for improving my communication skill, I talk any person, strangers, in English. And very soon I will give you review that about that app, what is that app, and am I improving by using that app or not. So don't forget to watch that video. So you can use this thing also. Talk them in English, your friends, your relatives, then strangers. So day by day, with the passage of time, you will improve a lot in your public speaking, your communication skills. Yes friends, in starting you will take time, you will hesitate, so it is obvious. Don't think that I am not able to do these things, so I will not do continue this thing. So don't think. In starting, it happens, okay, day by day. If you practice, if you do that thing continue, so you will overcome this problem, and you will enhance your communication skill. So next thing is that body language. Yes friends, when we talk in front of public, in front of anyone, and we do communicate any person, so our body language does matter. Okay, and eye contact must be. Yes friends, if you are talking any person, so it must be eye contact. Yes, it shows your confidence. If you don't look any person in his or her eyes, so it shows your low confidence. Friends, if you are not able to do these things, so practice. You have to sit in front of mirror, okay, or you can stand, and you have to look into your eyes, and you have to speak, you have to practice. This thing give you confidence. Yes, for speaking English, for communication skill, and hesitation will be removed. Do this thing with eye contact, look into your eyes, and try with your children. Okay, at your home there is a child or children, so you can do this thing with them. It increase your confidence. Really friends, it give you benefit, it works, and it enhance your communication skills. Try these things. And friends, in communication skills, lots of things do matter, like voice modulation, pitch, volume, lots of things does do matter, but that is these things we will do later. That is later things. Okay, so first we have to work on it, whatever I told you, eye contact, and prepare yourself for questioning, like a interview. And if you are not able to face them, so first talk them on phone. So use these things, work on it. You will definitely enhance your public speaking, and then we will talk on other things. So please, I hope you like this video. You will get something beneficial for your improving English. So please, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and keep practicing. Till then, bye bye.